If you're stuck with no connectivity, don't worry. We're fixing this right now without a CD. Since your PC is currently offline, you'll just need to use a friend's computer or even your Android phone to grab the file. Let's dive in. Open your browser and search for Zebronics. Click on the first official result. Zebronics is one of India's leading tech brands, known for reliable peripherals and high-quality drivers. From the navigation bar under the support menu, click on Driver Downloads. In the search bar, simply type in 150. You'll see the MediaTek USB driver pop up. This is the exact software needed for most generic 802.11n adapters. Hit that download button right next to it. Once the file is on your phone or friend's PC, copy the file over to your desktop. Right-click the file, hover over your file extractor, and select Extract here. You'll notice folders for Linux and Mac, but we're heading straight into the Windows folder. Run the setup file and follow the quick installation prompts. It only takes a few seconds. Now for the moment of truth. Go to your taskbar, click that Wi-Fi icon, and your network should be visible. Connect to yours and you're back in business. If this quick fix saved your day, hit that like button and subscribe to WebTrack for more straight-to-the-point tech solutions. See you later, alligator.